Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to share something I ordered last week, a portable backup storage from Amazon. I didn't expect I received it today. It's fun today. I'm so happy and excited to open it and use it for my vlog. The storage of my phone was not enough to make more videos for vlogging. I'm so planning to transfer my files from my phone to my new portable storage. This device is very useful for my vlog, office files backup, and personal computer backup, and to transferring files, photos, and videos. So let's open this now. Open this now. This one. Seagate 2 TB backup plus slim. This portable storage is very thin, light, and easy backup. So the estimated storage has 100,000 songs for this one, 150 movies, and bunch of other files for personal items for this device. It's very useful. So let's proceed some conversion for this one. So 8 bits to make a byte. So 1000 bytes is a kilobyte. So 4 megabytes equivalent to 1000 kilobytes. So 1 gigabyte equivalent to 1000 megabytes. For this one, 1 terabytes equivalent to 1000 gigabytes. So exceed the trillions bytes term for this one. 2 terabytes. Lots of storage. You can put your photos, videos, and some other files that are very important to you. So I will recommend you to buy this one. As long as you need more storage, buy this. It's very nice. So let's open this now. Here, there's a manual here. Also here. Let's see. Okay. Alright. This is it. Yeah, it's very thin. Look at this. Very thin, light. Oh, this packet has a USB connector. So this one is covered by the plastic. Show you closely. This is color blue. This connector, USB connector. Brand Seagate. Yeah, very light. I like it. So I'm so excited to try this, to attach my computer. thank you. I hope you enjoy my vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe.